For centuries, sailors crossing the open sea recorded strange encounters where the water around their ships suddenly lit up the dark. Without a scientific explanation, they attributed the glow to sea monsters, restless spirits, or ancient magic. This electric blue glow occurs predictably on real beaches across the globe, from the Caribbean to the Japanese coast. The actual culprit is this, a dinoflagellate. It is a single-celled microscopic planktons of them drift through the upper layers of the ocean. The glowing shoreline represents the collective, simultaneous action of these microscopic life forms, each one flashing the instant it feels a physical disturbance. Survival in the open ocean usually depends on staying hidden. To a shadowy predator, visibility in the dark is an invitation to strike. Producing biological light also demands an immense amount of energy, resources that a single-celled organism must work hard to acquire. Expending that precious energy to light up when touched appears to be a suicidal biological trait. Why would a tiny, defenseless organism act like a neon sign in the middle of a pitch-black ocean? This light is a calculated, high-stakes survival strategy that took scientists decades to decode. To understand the strategy, we have to look at the internal chemical mechanism that makes the light possible. Inside every dinoflagellate are two specific molecules, luciferin and the enzyme luciferase. A physical disturbance causes luciferase to spark a chemical reaction between luciferin and oxygen. Scientists call this cold light. As charted here, 95% of the energy becomes visible light, with only 5% lost as heat. Humans have yet to build a lighting system that matches this level of thermodynamic efficiency. Nature engineered this hyper-efficient lighting system millions of years ago, specifically as a weapon of defense. This simulation shows the burglar alarm hypothesis. When a small fish attacks the dinoflagellate, it responds with an intense flash. This flash acts as a distress beacon, instantly alerting larger predators. The large predator consumes the smaller fish, leaving the glowing plankton unharmed. The serene, glowing beach is actually a macroscopic view of a high-speed war zone, where light is used to call for backup. Places like Toyama Bay provide the massive geographical scale needed for these blooms to accumulate. For humans to see the glow from the shore, billions of these individual burglar alarms must trigger simultaneously. Reaching this requires warm water, areas with low pollution, and high plankton populations. Visibility also depends on no moonlight and exceptionally calm seas. A glowing beach is a rare, delicate alignment of biology, weather, and the lunar cycle. Tourists often ask the same question when they see these displays. Is it safe to swim in the glow? While generally harmless of night, massive overpopulations of these organisms can signal an ecological crisis. During a red tide, extreme concentrations of plankton produce harmful toxins that can poison marine life and irritate human skin. The breathtaking blue glow at night and the toxic red tide during the day are two phases of the same biological event. Engineers are now looking to this million-year-old defense system to solve modern challenges in energy efficiency. Because dinoflagellates waste so little energy as heat, researchers are developing zero-electricity streetlights that use these same bioluminescent pathways. Medical researchers are adapting these natural light-producing proteins to highlight specific cells, aiming for new ways to image and track diseases within the human body. Every glowing wave is a reminder of one of nature's most perfectly synchronized survival networks. The microscopic ocean life we are only beginning to understand holds the technical blueprints for our future.